How to turn on auto download photos when roaming on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on auto download photos when roaming on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here we'll find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings, and here you will find storage and data. Click on it and scroll down. Here you will find when roaming, just click on it and turn on photos and click OK. Now just go back and that's how to turn it on, and it is of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.